Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run a descaling cycle on Breville Espresso machine. We'll be using this descaler that I bought from Amazon, which I'll add the link to the description as well. We need to fill up the water reservoir halfway. Before we fill up the water reservoir, we need to remove the water filter. So for this process, we don't want water filter to be in place. So for this specific descaler, we'll only use half bottle. I already used half of it before, so this is the second half. So I'll go ahead and add that to the water as well. I'll just go ahead and pour it in there. And then we also need to mix it so the chemical is evenly distributed in the water. To mix it, I'll just use a spoon and gently mix it. And we'll go ahead and place the water tank to its place. Also, we'll need to remove the coffee basket. We will have a lot of wastewater, so we need to place a cup under the steamer as well as the group head. As you can see, we have the solid light here, which indicates that descaling needs to be done. So what we'll do, we'll turn it off, and then we will press 2 cups and power button at the same time. And after a few seconds, you will see it goes into the descaling mode. So we are ready to descale. First, we'll want to start with the group head. So to do that, we'll just press 1 cup button. Next, we'll do the hot water faucet. And as you can see, it will stop automatically. Next, we will switch it to the steaming. Then we will repeat the same steps until we run out of water. Again, I'm running the group head. It's very important, once you finish the cycle, you also do rinsing, so you get rid of all the residual chemicals from the machine. So for this, we'll empty the water tank and get rid of all the chemicals. Okay, so we emptied the dirty water tray. We filled up the reservoir with fresh water, and then now we will run a rinsing cycle so we can get rid of all the residual chemicals. First, again, we'll start with the group head. As I said, right now we are running the fresh water. Once we ran a few extra cycles and made sure we got rid of all the residual chemicals, then we can turn off the cycle. To do that, we'll simply just press the power button, and then that will put the machine back to the regular mode. And we are all done. Make sure to put back the water filter. And as you can see, once we turn it on again, the descaling light is now gone. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe.